Well, that's not it. Indian Health Services is a federal agency which typically provides care to approximately 2 million Native Americans across the country. But in the midst of the government shutdown, many of them are seeing reduced or eliminated services, including right here in Washoe County. Elizabeth Gov't picks up the story live in the newsroom after speaking with one local center. And Liz, it sounds like they've already had to cancel some appointments.
Unfortunately, they have land, and officials at the Nevada Urban Indian Center has been around since 1975 and say they've never had to close their doors before.
It just creates a mess.
Nevada Urban Indians Incorporated provides health care and community services primarily to Native Americans in Washoe County and Carson City.
About 150, 160 clients a month.
But the nearly month-long government shutdown has hindered their work. That's because officials say grants from the Indian Health Services provide 2/3 of its funding.
When it happened on December 22nd, we were already planning ahead.
But Reeves says it wasn't until just this week that they finally had to put that plan into action.
We're able to provide less services. The clinic, which was open 4 days, is now open 3 days.
Has caused a lot of, unfortunately, some chaos, not only for us, but also for our patients.
They've had to cancel or reschedule appointments made 2 to 3 weeks in advance on the days that they're now closed.
A lot of families are hurting.
And it's not only empty patient waiting rooms.
I've had to cut hours. Employees that I've had work 5 days are not working 4 days. Those that were working 4 days down to 3 days.
But medical offices going dark too.
Our doctor, our medical assistant, they're not in today.
Many forced to find alternative incomes.
Looking for part-time jobs, or they're going to be filing for unemployment.
And while they've been through government shutdowns before, they've never had to actually close their doors to adapt.
I don't think it's been to this extent.
Reeves said she would be meeting with IHS today to discuss what potential steps they may need to take going forward if the shutdown continues. But until then,
we're taking it on a week by week.
Now, Reeves says Nevada Urban Indians does take donations, so if you'd like to help them out in this time of need, you can visit our KTVN News app for more information. Covering the story live in the newsroom, Elizabeth Gov't, 2 News.